Hit the Target is a fluency game for grades 1 through 6. It involves all operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, along with negative numbers because you have two color cards, red and black. Now, in the lower grades, the students are going to be coming to the game knowing addition and subtraction, so that's what you're going to see. As the students get older, they will start applying the skills that they have. The materials that you will need is a regular deck of cards, and you're going to remove the jacks, queens, and kings. That will leave you with 40 cards. And then I separate it. Your ace is a 1, and you're going to need in one deck, in one stack, a red and a black ace, a red and a black 2, a red and a black 3, a red and a black 4. So out of a deck of cards, you're going to actually get 2 sets to play in your class. This game is played in groups of 4 or 5 students. So you have 20 cards in this deck that they're playing with in their group. If there are 4 students, each student gets 5 cards. And that actually is the best setup. It gives them more cards to hit the target. If there's 5 students, each player gets 4 cards. The rules are that each player is to use as many cards in their hand to hit the target, as many as they can. And I also add the rule that they have to play at least 2 cards. Remember, those aces count as 1, and they can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And again, the older students can use those red and black cards as positive or negative. So when you play a round, the students will lay down the cards. However many cards they were able to use to hit the target number, that is their score for that round. And what I have the students do is they rotate the deal. So after that student finishes, they find how many points for that round. They pass the deal to the next students. They're dealt another set. They get those points. So after 4 rounds, their score is the total number of points. Just some notes. To learn the game when I'm first teaching it to the class, I put the 4 or 5 cards under the dot cam, and I asked the class to come up with ways to make the target number so they get the idea, and there's more than one way, and which way use the most cards. At the beginning, it was also easier for me as the teacher to give them the target number for everybody to try to get. And we played that several weeks before I would have the dealer do that. And also, I did encourage the students to rotate the dealing during the game. At first, you're going to have students that don't know how to deal, but give them a couple times to watch, and they will learn. And I've also included a student video, and these are 2nd graders at Cason Lane playing the game to give you an idea of what it might look like with your students. Thank you. Let me know how it goes.